Hey, Pip streamers. Yesterday was absolutely nuts. It was an up and down day, but all in all, with PS2K in the last 10 days of trading in 2022, we smashed it, and I'm about to show you the numbers. Let's go.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Okay, as you can see over here, the profit was at 8,400, but of course, because of the fees, it came all the way down to 6,200 and some change. Now you're like, hey man, Johnny, I see a lot of losses here. How were you able to generate that? Well, I had a lot of trades, but because I was running out of time, it was the last day of trading. I didn't want to have any trades open going into 2023, so I just closed a lot of the trades that were in the drawdown, which then became losses, right? Sometimes you just have to close some trades and keep it moving, and that's what we did. I mean, you know, 6,000 in one day is still good, but at one point, man, I was all the way up to almost 25,000. But hey, it is what it is. 6,000 in one day, I will still take it. So as you can see, all the trades here, those were the losses I closed towards the end of the trade. But then we had a whole bunch of other trades earlier that put me in profit, as you can see. Going down, yeah, we had some nice big ones too, as you can see. GJ and GU were pretty much the star of the show, and I'm going to show you that earlier. We had some big trades, as you can see, that put us over the top, so that was great. But the market was crazy, man. It was all over the place. Plenty of opportunity, which is not typical for the last day in December, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, so as you can see, this was what was done. Yeah, over here at PS2K, we show you everything. We don't sanitize anything. So this is what happened, and this is for the day where we ended up at 6,000, right? Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the stats, so you can see the stats for the past 10 days and see how we smashed through those last 10 days. All right. Okay, so these are the stats right here for the last 10 days or 2 weeks of trading. But let's look at the stats from yesterday. So let's customize this and say, instead of the 16th when we started, we're just going to say 30th and analyze. Okay. All right. So these were the stats from yesterday. As you can see right here, the 6,779 that we earned yesterday, which is equivalent to 2.82 in gains. But let's look at how it all went. So yeah, that was yesterday. It's saying this week, but that basically means yesterday because we customized the stats, so it's showing all the same thing. It was so 6,779, 82 plus pips, and the win rate was 72%, which is okay. I'm usually above 90, so that's a little bit of a disappointment, but 72% win rate, I will still take that from 182 trades, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and look at the summary so we can see who won the day. So let's look at the profits. Yeah, let's arrange by profit. Okay, so if we look, GU basically won the day because as you can see, came in the total with the profit of 12,000 out of a total of 69 trades with a 68 win rate. A little iffy there, but 68% is still good. And in second place with a profit of 2,229 was UC. Okay. And then followed by GJ, on and on and on and on. Now, a lot of the losses that took away my 25,000 that I had came from down here, which was UJ. Again, I had to close all those trades because, like I said, I was running out of time. So that really ate into my profits. So negative 11,000. That was pretty huge. But hey, sometimes, like I said, you gotta lose to win, right? So just close it out, keep it moving. 6,000 for the day, I think, is still pretty good. All right. Now let's go back and look at all the stats from when we started. Okay. Let's do this. Even if we put the first, you will notice that in the chart, it's only going to start from the 16th because that's when this account was started. So from the 16th all the way to the 30th is how we traded. Okay. So we can see right here, the balance is 247,000 and some change. Equity is at 246,985. So a difference of a couple of $100, and that's because there was one trade I was not able to close. So there's a little bit of a difference there. So really, profit of like 47,000. Now, at one point, I did mention that my profit was all the way up to $25,000 for the day, and the total was at 200,000, 66,000 and some change. So the profit would have been around 66,000. But because I had to close those trades in that were in drawdown and losses, that brought my profit down to 47,000. Which, hey, 47,000 for 10 days of trading or 2 weeks of trading is still awesome. Yeah. So if we look at the chart right here, this is how we started, and we kept growing. This is showing the growth and also the drawdown. If we look at the balance, again, you see it's the same chart. Equity is in yellow, balance is in red. So you can see towards the end, the equity and the balance, because we closed out those trades, are in sync right here at the top. So 247,000. Yep. And this is the profit chart, basically showing the same thing. Okay. If we go down here now we can look at the numbers. Obviously today is Saturday. There's no trading, so there's nothing there. But for the week, was 12% gain for the week, 27,000 for the past week, which is absolutely awesome. And we can see here for the month, it's showing 47,000, 23% gain. But then again, and then look at the pips. Absolutely amazing. 3,000 for the week, 11,000 for the month. But again, it's really not the month or the year because, like I said, this account was started on the 16th, as you can see right here, and ended on the 30th. So really, 10 days or 2 weeks of trading, however you choose to look at it, right? These are some more stats for you. Total amount of trades was 737 trades. Pips gain was 11,000, well, almost 12,000 pips, and you can see the rest of the numbers down here. Yeah, and I will share the link with you guys in case you want to go in here and just take a look at the rest of the stats. Now, if we go to summary, where's the summary? Yeah, so we can see who took the cake for those 2 weeks of trading. We can see right here, it was actually GU Gold led for a majority of the time, but towards the end of trading, especially on that last day, GU just came in and smashed everything away from gold, brought in profits of 24,000, right? And ended up with an 83% win, whereas gold came in second with 12,000 in profit, 12,600 in profit. The total of 255 trades and a 78 win rate, which is still good. And then third place was this is what? Oh, GJ. GJ came in with 7,300 in profit, 84 trades, and all the trades were wins. So 100% win rate, which was great. I'm not going to go through all of them, but in last place, obviously, was UJ. Came in at negative 11,000, but it had a decent win rate. It's just that those trades that closed at the end kind of brought it all the way down. But that's all good. 47,000 in 2 weeks, I think, is still awesome with PS2K. As you can see right here, the 47,000. So yeah, those are the stats. Let's see. I don't know if you can. Oh, if we go back here and if I click on the month, it's gonna show all the stats from currency popularity in December. As you can see, gold had a huge percentage, but even though it didn't come in first, what came in first was GU, even though it had only 19.9% of the share, but still, I think the trades were more efficient than gold and absolutely smashed gold and took over first place. Yeah, so this is what happened, and look forward to smashing 2023 with you guys. Let's go ahead and do this, man. This is not magic. If you put the work in, you can do it as well. So let's go ahead and smash 2023 together. Now, I'm going to go to my FTMO account so I can show you some of the stats from there and also look at the leaderboard. All right, so we're in the FTMO account. And before I show you the stats from the trading days, I just wanted to show you that, let's see, this account ended on the 29th. So it's not going to show that last day, the 30th of trading, but it's going to show all the other days. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that. But I just wanted to mention that so you guys are aware. All right, let's move on. Okay, let's go ahead and now take a look at the daily summary in the FTMO. Let me go ahead and show full so you can see these are the days. And like I said, it ended on the 29th because, again, it doesn't show the 30th, but you did see the 30th, which was $6,700 gain. But let's go ahead and start from the beginning. So the first day was 96 trades for $5,600 for the day. Again, the pipstream trading strategy is a scalping strategy. You're not a swing trader. You're not a position trader. You're scalping. Okay, so you're gonna have a bunch of trades, preferably. Okay, all right. Second day was 50 trades for $2,100 for the day. Then the third day was a monster day at 7,000 plus, 67 trades. And then the fourth day was $1,300, and then you can see the rest of the days, 2,500. The smallest day was 800 plus, so on and so on. The 29th was also a monster day, was $10,000 plus from 140 trades. And then, of course, the last day on the 30th which is not shown here because the account for FTMO was closed. Even though you can keep trading it, the stats are not going to be shown here on the stats, but you can keep trading it on MetaTrader. But you can see that day was, like I showed you in my FX book, was $6,700 for the day. And if you add all those days up, you can see that it comes out to the 47,000 plus. Now, I wanted to show this to show the trend that all the days traded were profitable. There was not a single day that ended in a loss, and I think that's good progress. From trading PS2K. So anyway, let's all in 2023, man, smash, trading, the forex trading. Whether you're using PS2K or any other system, it's up to you. But make it a goal to get funded. Don't try to flip, $10 accounts, $50 accounts, $100 accounts. You're not gonna get anywhere, man. You're not gonna make this type of profits in a day that you can live off, right? So let's go ahead and smash 2023 by getting funded. Get yourself funded. If you want to join the PS2K and become a member, we can definitely help you. The PS2K course is coming in 2023 and some more good stuff coming up. So stay tuned. But yeah, let's go get it, man. Let's go get it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.